Take a look at this Saleen that's just in and now available to purchase. We haven't had an SN95 body style like this around for a little while, so these are becoming more and more rare and actually getting sought after. This is a 1997 Saleen Mustang S281 convertible, naturally aspirated. As you can see, the car is number 214. That's actually a 309 S281s made in 1997. Now, of the convertibles, this would be one of 196 convertibles made. So that's a sequential number put on by Saleen. And that is its number in the Saleen registry of 1997 Saleen S281s. Powered by a 4.6 liter, naturally aspirated V8 underneath the hood. This car does have power steering, power brakes, AC, nicely equipped car. Power windows, power locks, power top. Would have been all Ford standard options. As you can see, it does have the Saleen wheels. Other things Saleen would have done to this is cold air intake, calibration or a retune, would be Borla exhaust, racecraft suspension, different sway bars, front and rear. Of course, those wheels like I mentioned, and then the front fascia, side skirts on the side, rear fascia, light bar. This particular one has the soft tonneau cover in it, making it a two-seater, but the rear seat is still underneath there, just like any Mustang. We'll get up closer to that and kind of show you what's going on there. You can check out the still pictures of this car. UniqueClassicCars.com is our website where you'll find them. Feel free to give us a call too. We've had a few of these around. We'll be happy to help you out with them. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. These are the Speedline wheels. See if I can get down here on the insignia so you guys know they're into Saleens, know which wheels these are. I forget which one. They made a few different ones in the SN95s, but there you can see the Speedline insignia. Take a good look at the wheel so you know which ones they are. Also very nice shape, as you can see. Not full of road rash or anything on that one. We'll take a look as we go around them. I'd call this a nice driver quality Saleen. It does have about 78,000 miles on it. Interior's in nice shape. It is a 5-speed manual paired with that 4.6 liter. That's approximately 280 to 281 cubic inches. That's where the S281 comes from. Take a look at this wheel. As you can see, that's also in nice shape. Decent rubber on this car. Come around to the back. There's the S281 wing that Saleen would put on them. And of course the rear fascia. This one does have the machine gun tips on it. Those are still there, and it appears to have still the original Borla exhaust. Again, check out those still pictures. They can be seen at UniqueClassicCars.com. You'll see the underside engine bay. Check out all the still pictures. Like I said, here's that soft tonneau cover. Covers up the rear seat, but the rear seat's in there. Light or style bar, is what they called that. Got the third brake light up top there. It appears that SVT badge has been added on there. This is not a Cobra. Would have had nothing to do with the special vehicle team. Somebody's added that. Alright, check out this wheel again. All the wheels seem like they're in very, very nice shape. You can also see this has had the rotors added. Slotted and drilled rotors, front and rear. Saleen would have done little different brakes up front, a larger brake. Again, slotted and drilled rotors, front and rear. And that wheel is also in nice shape. So no curb rash. Wheels are in great shape. Check out this interior. Oh, by the way, this car, interesting color. It's actually moonlight blue. You don't see a lot of them in this color. Color code would be KM on this car. It also has a clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirms the miles at approximately 78,000. Again, factory Ford door cards. Power windows, power locks, power mirror, cruise control, tilt. Nicely equipped. Saleen also did a white face gauge. And as you can see, it also has little different pedals down there. little more aggressive pedal. Two-tone black and I'd call it a silver or pewter interior. It is leather. It does have a power driver's seat. Let's go ahead and fire these up. Great sounding car, that Borla exhaust. V8 under the hood. So you know accents indicated there. Stereo does work. Close the door a second so you hear that ding. There it is, 78,000 miles. You can see. Interesting, back in the 90s, this particular car has a CD player and a cassette player. Down here would be, if I'll be able to get it to show up, but this tag right down here will have the car number on it, Salene's sequential number. Just so you know, I'll pop the hood and I'll show you there's one other one underneath the hood too that'll have the matching end of the VIN, the date it was made, and also that sequential number. So this is a legitimate, real deal S281 Saleen. I'll tell you what, I'm going to go ahead and, well, first of all, let's come around the back and hear this. You got a nice, deep rumble, little throaty sound coming out of that 281 under the hood. We'll rub this up just a tad too. They got a nice sound. I want you to hear it, get it to show up. Should give you an idea. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the hood. Alright, let's come around to the front. I'm going to pop this hood. I'm going to pause the video a second. Just makes it a little bit easier and you don't have to deal with it bouncing all around while you get that hood open. So hang on, we'll get that hood open and check it out. Alright, here we go. You can see that 4.6 liter single overhead cam engine. This does have a little different throttle body on it. Cold air intake. There's that cowl tag with the swing numbers on it I was talking about. We have 97-214, as you can see. That's 281 and then the last of the VIN. There you have it. Nice smooth, nice sounding engine. In Moonlight Blue S281 Saleen Mustang Convertible, number 214 of 309 S281s made in 97, and this is one of 196 convertibles. Feel free to give us a call. Once again, the number is 507-386-1726. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. We do have financing available. Do consider trades. And of course, we can help you with the transportation to where you're located at. Give us a call.